Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the auxiliary view. So let's add our first part by browsing to the file location. And this time, let's add the front, which is right here, and click over there. Again, I'm going to add my origin point. So now we have this view. How the auxiliary view works is you select the auxiliary view over here, and now it's asking you to select a reference edge to continue. So any edge you select is going to create an angled, so as auxiliary view is kind of like a 45 angled view from any edge you select. So if I select this edge, which has to be something, let's say I select this edge, for example, right? Let me just find something. There you go. So once I select that edge, it's creating an auxiliary view to it, which is pretty much showing you that view from that angle. So I'll select an auxiliary view, select this edge, and you have to zoom in on it, select that edge. There you go. So now it's showing you that auxiliary view from that side, which is showing you this view. It's kind of like a projected view, except for it has the arrow letting you know that this view is you looking at this part from the side. So that's pretty much what an auxiliary view is. Another way you can make auxiliary view is what I mentioned with the 45. And most times when I use it at my job, we use it to make a 45 angle where you can just draw a sketch line, and it works the same way. So if I select my auxiliary view, I can select my line, and I can make another view that is projecting that way, showing that valve from the bottom, what it looks. So you can make an auxiliary view by selecting the edge on the line, or you can make it by drawing your own line and using that line to project. So that is pretty much. And if you move this line down, like if I move this line down, and you can actually move this line so they don't touch each other. So that is how auxiliary view works. You can either select the edge or make your own sketch. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.